way! No way! Dude! Look at this! Dude! This is like a 15-foot python! Dude! Oh my God! Bro, I gotta catch you. Oh! Holy shit! I gotta put my phone down. Holy shit! Ow, it's pouring rain and I got a huge python! Bro! What do I do with this thing? Dude! Holy shit! Holy shit! It's like a fucking 15-foot python! Ah! Somebody help me! I don't need help, I'm good. But this thing's massive! Oh my God. Oh my God. Bro. Dude. What the fuck? I can't even walk. Look at this thing. I'm like losing fucking. Holy shit, it's so strong. I'm losing. Oh, my leg. He's got my legs so tight. This is insane. Oh, oh fuck. God. He's got my legs so tight. Oh my God. This is like a 15-foot python. I'm gonna wrap up. Please, someone just drive down this fucking street. I can't feel my leg. Unwrap. Fuck. What do I do with this thing? I can't let it go. Holy shit. Holy shit. Yeah. Oh my God. I gotta call somebody. Dude, this is so fucked. I've got a fucking giant python. What do I do with it? It's pouring rain. Look at the size of this thing. It's got my leg wrapped up. My leg is numb. Fuck. Ah! Come on. Oh my God. Dude. This is a serious snake, dude. I need a car to drive down the road, bro. I'm literally by myself. There's a beautiful rainbow. But, it's got my legs so tight. This thing is fucking serious. This is a serious fucking beast. This is a serious beast. Fuck. This is a serious beast. It's got my legs so tight I can't feel my fucking leg. It hurts so bad. Where's his tail? I'm trying to free myself. It's like wrapped around my leg so tight. Oh, it sucks. Hang on. Hang on. I gotta get off my leg. It's so fucking Come on, bitch. Come on, big mama. Come on, get it. Bro, it's so heavy. Look at this thing. Look at the size of this thing. Holy shit. Holy shit. Dude. Holy fucking shit, man. I can't even tell you. Fuck. My heart is racing so much. Look at this thing. A monster. Fuck. The beast has been taken care of. Look at this thing. Holy shit. That was a full body workout. Look at the size of this thing. It's like longer than my car. Look at the size of this python. It's longer than the car. Holy shit. I think he gave up fighting. Oh my God. It's pouring rain. My heart is racing so fast. I've never been wrapped up by a snake. It's still alive. It's giving up the fight. What a beast. What a beast. Holy shit. All right. I tired the python out, but here's just, look at the beautiful rainbow. Here's just the size reference. Dude, longer than my car. Oh my God, bro. How? He's tired. Don't make me do it again, bro. I'll wrestle you twice, baby. Holy smokes. Look at how big this thing is. What a monster. Oh. This thing eats alligators, deer, all types of native wildlife, so they must be removed. Yeah. Dude, look at this baby. Oh, it's so heavy.
That's a fucking dinosaur, dude.
Beast. I don't know if it's gonna fit.
Honestly, though. Oh, you'll fit. Just barely, though.
Coming back to life a little bit. There we go. Bagged up.
Shit.
How much you think she weighs, or he weighs?
Like 100 pounds, man.
Dude, gnarly. It's a big snake.